Hey, there's a lady over there waving to you. Let's go and see what she wants.
We meet again, avid adventurer. Are your adventures going smoothly? That is the spirit. Keep it up. It seems that you have a wealth of experience under your belt now. Time to introduce you to the formal work of the Guild. The Guild receives requests from far and wide each day, and assigns commissions to adventurers accordingly. These commissioned adventures are the main source of compensation for our Guild members.
What kind of commissions are they?
It is a mixed bag. Anything from running an errand for fellow citizens to dealing with monsters. Some are textbook, others are extremely dangerous. But you do not have to take my word for it. You should find out for yourself. Here you can find the details of today's commissions. Please report back to me upon completion. There will be a generous reward waiting for you. Patience is a virtue. You will find out soon enough. I'm sure you will not be disappointed. I await your return with great anticipation. Ad Astra Abyssosk.
Welcome to Mondstadt.
Bet you can't keep up with me!
What's the hurry? What's the hurry?
Get him!
Surrender and be gentle. Come a little closer.
Go, go, Barret Bunny!
You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Ugh. My. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. Come a little closer.
Freeze!
Opening a chest is like unwrapping a gift. Get him!
Cool it! I'm so sorry. Ah! Dodge this!
I'll race you there!
I must leave no stone unturned. I'll catch up. A little dusty. Best give it a spring cleaning.
Go,
Steady as stone.
Get him!
Leave it all to me.
I'll race you there!
Steady as stone. Someone needs assistance.
Get him!
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. You're in for a little shock. You're in.
No escape!
Leave it all to me.
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
Go, Baron!
You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock.
Cool it! This moment will be frozen in time.
Get him! Bet you can't keep up with me!
You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock.
Freeze! Dodge this!
Get him!
Come a little closer. Try not to enjoy this too much. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. Come You're in for a little shock.
Go, go, Baron Buddy!
Steady as stone.
Come a little
Freeze! Cool it! Don't get frostbite.
Let it rain!
You're in for a little shock. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Oh my.
I must leave no stone unturned. Someone needs assistance.
Dodge this!
Hey! Get him!
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock.
Another target tracked down by Outrider Amber.
Cool it! Freeze!
You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
Quite the find.
Come a little closer. Come a little closer.
Cool it! Dodge this!
You're... My. A little...
Cool it!
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
Freeze!
You're in for a little shock.
Steady as stone.
Oh, so sorry. What's the hurry? Cool it.
No escape! Go, go, Barret Bunny!
Leave it all to me. As a good knight should.
Come a little closer. Come a little closer. I knew I should have stayed home.
Dodge this. Freeze. How fortunate. What's the hurry? What's the hurry?
Get him! I'll race you there!
Ooh, wonderful.
What's the hurry?
must leave no stone unturned.
Cool it!
You're in for a little shock.
Don't get frostbite.
Come a little closer.
Leave it all to me.
Freeze!
Another target tracked down by Outrider Amber. Bet you can't keep up with me. Get him.
What's the hurry? Push your luck. What's the hurry? Cool it!
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock.
No one escapes my sights.
Come a little closer. No pain, no gain. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock.
Someone needs assistance. I must leave no stone unturned. Someone needs assistance.
Come a little closer.
Leave it all to me.
You're in for a little shock.
How fortunate. Dodge this!
Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
This map will be frozen in time.
Surrender and will be gentle. Come a little closer. Come a little closer. You're in for a little shock. Come a little closer.
I have some for you. Get him! No escape!
Quite the find. I didn't know you were such a slacker. What's the hurry?
You did a fine job. Outstanding performance considering it was your first time. The requester even asked me to thank you on their behalf. And, as promised, you are due your reward. Thank you for completing today's commissions. Here is your reward.
Oh, you shouldn't have. Except you totally should.
This is a token of the Guild's gratitude. We receive many new commissions every day, and without the efforts of each and every adventurer, there is no way we could respond to them all. If you complete enough commissions each day, you will be eligible to claim a special reward from me. Your adventurer handbook keeps a record of how many adventures you complete each day. Make sure you claim your daily rewards on the days that you complete sufficient adventures. There is a As things currently stand, yes. My apologies. But please be assured that we are constantly pushing headquarters to make all our adventurers receive fair and adequate compensation. And please note that helping a fellow adventurer to complete a commission also counts towards your eligibility for a daily reward. We encourage you to work actively with your fellow adventurers. Ad Astra Abyssosque.